Stuck in a rut? Drowning in a sea of blah? Tired of your stuff owning you instead of the other way around? Buckle up, Buttercup! We're about to turn your blah into ta-da, with a secret sauce so zesty, it'll make Marie Kondo blush. Welcome to Joyful Minimalism with Zest for Less, where less clutter means more confetti for your soul. Forget beige walls and empty rooms. We're talking Technicolor dreams in a world gone grayscale. Picture this. You, surrounded by only things that make your heart sing louder than a karaoke night. No more drowning in a sea of maybe someday. We're diving into an ocean of heck yes right now. This isn't about tossing your joy. It's about cranking up the volume on what really rocks your world. Ready for the secret sauce? It's not just about decluttering. It's about curating your own personal joy factory. Step 1. Spot the joy zappers. Those things that make you go, instead of ooh. They're out of here! But wait, there's more. It's not just about ditching the duds. It's about recognizing what's been secretly stealing your sparkle. That shirt you've been guilting yourself into wearing? Liberation time. Step 2. Amplify the awesome. That weird hobby that lights you up? Give it center stage, baby. We're talking front and center, spotlight on, main event status for your passions. Always wanted a ukulele wall? Do it! Dream of a glitter-infused art corner? Make it happen! Comment below with one thing that brings you absolute, unbridled joy. Step 3. Create breathing room for spontaneous dance parties. Because why the heck not? And we're not just talking physical space here, folks. We're carving out mental real estate for creativity, for dreams, for whatever makes your soul do a happy dance. This isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a lifestyle of constant joy-seeking and clutter-busting. Think of it as spring cleaning for your soul, except it's all seasons and way more fun. We're not just clearing space. We're making room for adventures, for creativity, for life. Imagine waking up every day to a space that screams, "You've got this," instead of, "You've got too much stuff." This is your permission slip to let go of the shoulds and embrace the hell yeahs. Remember, we're not aiming for empty. We're aiming for deliciously, vibrantly, joyfully full. Full of experiences, of laughter, of those moments that make life worth living. But hold on to your hats, because we're just getting started. This joyful minimalism thing? It's contagious! Watch as your newfound zest for less spreads to every corner of your life. Suddenly, your calendar isn't a battlefield. It's a playground of possibilities. Your relationships? They're not weighed down by obligation, but lifted up by genuine connection. Your career? It's not just a paycheck. It's a canvas for your passions. And the best part? As you clear the clutter, you're making space for the most important thing of all. You! The authentic, quirky, magnificent you that's been hiding under all that stuff and stress. So, are you ready to transform your space from R to awe? From meh to magnificent? Your journey to a life bursting with color, joy, and purpose starts now. Let's get this party started. It's time to trade in your to-do list for a ta-da list. To swap keeping up with the Joneses for keeping up with your joy. So grab your metaphorical decluttering dancing shoes and let's cha-cha slide into a minimalist lifestyle that's as bright and bold as you are. Remember, in the grand closet of life, you're not looking for skeleton-free, you're looking for skeleton dance party ready. This journey into joyful minimalism isn't just about tidying up, it's about tuning in to your wants, your needs, your wildest dreams. Don't forget to comment below with one thing that brings you absolute, unbridled joy. Let's all spread the happy with Zest for Less.